How to send photos in TikTok message. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can send photos in TikTok message. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can just follow up this method and you can easily send up photos on your messages. Go ahead and open up your TikTok. Once you've opened up your TikTok and logged in into your account, you can directly head over to this inbox section. On the bottom, you can find different options. Go ahead and locate the inbox, which is on the second last, this one right here, and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be taken to the messages section. So go ahead and select up a user with whom you want to share photos. Once you've selected that, what you're going to do is click on this picture icon, and beside the sticker in this messages box, you can just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you can just go ahead and select up a photo from your gallery and tap on send. Or if you want to send photos, you can just go ahead and select up multiple as well. For that, go ahead and select up to 2 to 3, and once done, tap on send 3 and it will be sent. And there you go. That is how you send multiple pictures by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.